Time for some burgers and fries. We've also got homegrown lettuce to add to it. We've got the Blackstone fired up. I had to move it from over underneath the window because it started raining on us tonight. But we're thankful. Ralph Man's Outdoors. This is the first rain in October, and today is October the 26th. Man, we needed it, so I'm thankful to be underneath the porch right now. We're still going to cook up some burgers and fries. We got the grandkids over here, so we got to feed them. And even better than all that, Susan's making homemade buns. Let's get to cooking. First thing we got to get down is some French fries. These are actually red potatoes that we've cut up as French fries. We're going to throw those down, but we're going to go down with some avocado oil. I've got it in my avocado spritzer. So we're going to go down with some avocado oil and then go down with the fries. We've got the left side on high heat. We'll let that oil get heated up good. All the fries are down, and so we're going to let those cook up a little bit. We'll let these cook. We want to make sure that they cook all the way through, not just burn on the outside. So I'm cutting the burners down, and we'll get some seasoning salt. We'll season them up. Fries are looking good. Time to go down with the burgers. And this side has been on low. I'm not doing smash burgers today, but we've got extra Dale sauce. And if you don't know about Dale's, check out our other videos. I explain it there, but we're going to let these cook for a minute. They've been down for just a bit. We're going to go ahead and give them a flip. Oh, looky there. That's looking good. Oh yeah. Let's let it go on that side for just a little bit, and we'll be ready to plate shortly. Burgers are cooking up good. Still got a little bit of blood in them, but we're going to get that cooked out. Fries are tasting good. I've already had a sample. Flip the burgers and they're looking good. We'll add some cheese here in a minute and be ready to pull them off. We're going to flip the burgers one more time and then add some cheese. And then it's time to plate these things. All right. And the grandkids want mozzarella. Susan and I want pepper jack. Susan bought a 5-pound block of mozzarella and she shredded a bunch of it. So we're just going to add the shredded here. Let that melt a little bit. We've got some pepper jack. I'll lay those out on some of the bigger ones, and we'll leave a couple of them just bare, and those can be leftovers. We're going to go ahead and pull off the fries. As the cheese is melting, let's close up the lid for just a second and see if we can't steam this cheese. We'll give it a little spritz of water first. Let's take the lid off and take a look. That's looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and get these off of here. The cheese is melting and it will continue to do so. All right, I'm gonna clean this off, but let's build some plate. Now that's a good looking plate. Ralph Man's Outdoors. Looks good. We just got to give it a try. We've blessed our food and now it's time to eat. Fries are good. Susan made the buns, homemade buns, and they look and feel wonderful. So let's give it a try. Oh, she added some purple onions to mine. That's good right there. We're going to enjoy our meal. Till next time, God bless.